Wagwan me YouTube family, welcome back to another video. So today something quick and easy, just a showing you this delicious breakfast menu. Or in breakfast idea, you can also eat it as lunch, whatever you prefer. For our vegans in the building, this one is for you. So we part very colorful. We have scallion, onion, thyme, sweet pepper, we have okra. Yes, we also are going to mix this with some steamed cabbage and carrot. We have a scotch bonnet pepper right there. So yes, get all of the flavor there from with scotch bonnet pepper. Afterwards, we are going to saute, we are going to cook up the saltfish and the vegetable together. So one in the cook well. So what I like to do is to cook my saltfish and the vegetables or the seasoning together, and then I steam the cabbage and the carrot in a separate pot. That's how I like to do it, guys. Comment down below and let me know if you do your saltfish and the cabbage just like this, or you put the two of them together. Alright, after that, your stag one, cook. We just go leave it there for about 2 to 3 minutes or about 5 minutes, depending on your preference, right? And after that cook now, what I'm gonna do now is to transfer that cooked saltfish and vegetable into the pot with the steamed cabbage and carrot. But what I do is I cook the cabbage and the carrot halfway, because then I'm going to allow both of them, when combined, to steam for additional 3 minutes or so on very low flame, right? The lowest flame that you have, you're going to turn that to very low and allow both of them to steam together until they are cooked based on your preference. But you don't want it too soft and saggy, guys. You want it with a little crunch, right? And this is a very simple, delicious and healthy breakfast or dinner idea. You can also eat it just like this. You can eat it with 2 slices of bread, and this is how I'm having it, guys. So I have my avocado or my pear. Yes, very dry, nice piece of pear at the season. So we have to utilize the fruits and the vegetable we have during the season, right? Right, look at that, nice piece of pear. And I have 2 pieces of banana, 1 dumpling, and a sweet potato, a vegetable on the side, and a pear right there. So what I need right now is a glass of lemonade or some lime juice or whatever you want to pair it with, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Very simple, healthy, delicious, and for the vegans in the building. Bye, guys. I hope this one was entertaining, delightful, and very delicious.